Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about 4 altcoins that are worth a mention as they are popular and have buzzing communities. The coins are DYDX, PYTH or PYTH, LUNC that is Terra Luna Classic and Celestia. We will do the technical analysis, check their fundamentals, and check their social communities. Before we begin, let me tell you how I started to use Bitcoin in 2010. I had purchased 1,000 Bitcoins at 1.3 USD per Bitcoin in 2010 to transfer them to my business partner in Estonia, as the banks took a lot of days, like about 7 days, to transfer the funds internationally, bank to bank. Back then, without Bitcoin, we had came up with a simple idea. I sent my ATM card to the guy in Estonia and I would always load money here in my bank account. Then he would withdraw the money from that ATM card from nearest ATM in Estonia. Later on, we used Liberty Reserve LR, which was forced to shut down for money laundering. Then there was a huge vacant gap that was filled by Bitcoin. I did not know that time if Bitcoin price could change. In my first transaction, I had to send $1,000 to my partner in Estonia. And so, as there was urgency, I bought 1000 bitcoins at 1.3 USD per dollar, foolishly thinking that there is a 30% commission applied on bitcoins. I had paid out all 1000 bitcoins to the partner, and then later on the next day, I discovered that the price actually changes, as the new price was $1.5 per bitcoin. Actually, even the bitcoin seller did not know how the price changes and how the commission basis is. He just took his profit on the sale. Later on, I found out, as I found the miner and I met him. He told me how the bitcoins are mined and how he sells those bitcoins to me via that agent. And that is how I became a fan of Bitcoin since that time. I must say I never ever mined Bitcoin, as it is not good for environment. But right now people are using solar power, so it is good. Back then in 2011, I had started trading already on Bitcoin using BTC-E.com exchange. I never used Mt. Gox, but I knew that Mt. Gox is a popular exchange, but unfortunately Mt. Gox suffered multiple hacks. I traded mostly in Litecoin, Bitcoin and Peercoin. Then after making some money, I did a professional job of IT engineer till 2017, as I never took the trading seriously. But I soon came to know that the job is not meant for me, as the job life consumed my entire day, entire weeks, so there was nothing left. But then a friend met me and he actually congratulated me for holding bitcoins, and he told me how high the price has gone. Although I did not tell him my sad story that I had not much bitcoins left in my wallet and I just had a few change and I never tracked the prices. That is when I saw that I have enough funds to quit my daily job and become a full-time trader. Since 2017, I am doing the trading now. I could have become a YouTuber back in 2017, but you know what money does, right? I had to travel several countries and so I did not have any time for it. But nowadays, I see how the YouTubers are fooling their viewers and how they are asking money on a monthly basis from their own audience. Some YouTubers are selling the knowledge and also are ignorant. Yeah, I was a member of a famous trading group for 2 months. I paid a lot to that guy. Yeah, he knew a lot of things, but he consumed my entire day in just the teaching because he had 1,000 videos of 2 hours each, and actually the meaningful content was only of 2 minutes. So all in all, if he wanted, he could have taught me everything in 2 days, but he just wanted the monthly payments, and so he had made content that will never end. You get my point, right? Then there is this YouTuber who actually does exercises while on the video. Actually, the video was not even live, but he is editing the video so that people can see him do the exercise. And then he does the poop jokes. And also he says that you are the ones who came to my channel and you are watching me while I was just doing the exercise. Guys, you should really get more for your valuable time. And I will give you the most that I can. I will share all of the information and important knowledge with you. Just stay with me. Just watch the video till the end. Okay, let's begin the first altcoin. Today's first altcoin is PYTH network or PYTH, a decentralized oracle network used mainly for price feeds by exchanges. It is a direct competitor of Chainlink Oracle Network and Base Oracle Network. But currently PYTH is just a token running on Solana chain. PYTH has a 0.4 seconds latency while Chainlink has 0.5 seconds latency, that is the price feed speed. But PYTH has this low latency because it is using the Solana network. You know, the Solana network is really fast, and so this is the advantage of PYTH. My content is never a financial advice. Overall, I am considering to buy PYTH as it is a good time to buy right now after the bull run and after the price correction. So this is the good time. Second altcoin is DYDX. It is a decentralized exchange token of DYDX exchange. DYDX is gaining popularity as a DeFi exchange. DYDX had a major token unlock on 1st December. It increased the price from 180 million to 332 million. It was the biggest unlock DYDX had ever seen, and so I had to exit a few days before that. The community knew that DYDX will have a major token unlock in a few days, but still the price rose up. This is because of the popularity that the token and the exchange gained in the past few days due to the media hype and the press releases and everything. After the huge price rise, DYDX has got a 25% correction, but I am waiting for further more correction to the downside, and then I will enter this coin. I will update you once it is the right time to buy DYDX. Third altcoin is Terra Luna Classic, that is LUNC. It got 125% gains in a week due to its Terra USD Classic, that is USDC pump, and a massive 3.9 billion tokens burned by Binance as its ongoing commitment to reduce the token supply whenever it gets LUNC in the transaction fees. I must say that the next token unlock of LUNC, that is LUNC, will happen soon as Binance has already got a lot of transaction fees as the volume in the past few days was huge. I will be holding this token for a few days more until the next burn. But if you have not yet invested in LUNC, that is LUNC, then I would suggest you to just wait for the time. Some high-risk traders have taken short positions for a 10% target to the downside. Fourth altcoin is the Celestia, that is TIATA. It is a very amazing coin because it has a very good community and marketing team. They have articles written everywhere on the internet, and so these factors are benefiting Celestia. Celestia can be easily used by blockchain developers to launch their own blockchain very easily because this is the first modular blockchain. Celestia blockchain network had a mainnet launch on October 31st, and also it got listed on a huge exchange, that is Binance. This coin is a definite buy for me, but after the dust settles, after there is a little bit of correction, I think Celestia will get back to $2 as right now it had jumped from $2 to $8. Some high-risk traders have taken the short positions to see a 10% drop, but believe me, big gains can be made with this token if you have the patience and if you enter at the right price. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Please like the video and subscribe if you want to see me daily with new altcoin predictions and insights.